Gaza. See? So if you say Massacre try work for your crown, yes, him supposed to try work for your crown, yes. But the crown, it'll go be different. He must have a clash crown. See? It going to take him decade for reach that level that where Vybz Kartel work. And there's so much people Cartel take down out of that space. Vybz Kartel take down Ninja Man, take down Bounty Killer, take down Beenie Man, take down all of these artists forget this crown. Now mean say
May I represent for one Media Fox.
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
One. You would think setting up, yeah man, a Media Fox man. But I see nothing for out and make a statement and I say, yo, brother, wanna keep on a tell lie. To make a man thing look, bro. I just one bugger chatting in the forward by the media, bro. Come to know what kind of statement this I make. Good people, me I gonna make on listen what I go on.
so if you say Massacre try work for your crown, yes, him supposed to try work for your crown, yes. But the crown, it'll go be different. He must have a clash crown. See? It going to take him decade for reach that level that where Vybz Kartel work. And there's so much people Cartel take down out of that space. Vybz Kartel take down Ninja Man, take down Bounty Killer, take down Beanie Man, take down all of these artists forget this crown. Now mean say them career gone and it not good at it, them career still good. But him work, him hats off, put out hard work. How much in decades what I work? Vybz Kartel put in, forget this crown. You understand? So me I say to you, say, the warrior we are going is a good look. People, this war is a good look. Me I beg on don't score the war. Don't score the war. People in Antigua me there. And me I leave from Antigua and go Trinidad. Come on, know me busy. In December, moving. See?
But nothing. What you mean by Cartel take down Ninja Man and brother, you forgot to have badness Cartel use on the stage? In bridging them beat up Ninja and one bag of thing. I don't know what you talk about take down Beenie Man cause I don't know where remember say brother when the thing go on with Bounty Killer and Cartel brother. Remember say Cartel run go to Beenie brother. Beenie been a give Cartel forward bro. You understand? Cause imagine if Cartel never link with Beenie Man brother. You see me? So I don't know what you mean by take down cause I don't know if Cartel and Beenie Man in no clash or nothing fam. I don't know of that. So I don't know what you mean by take down. You mean say, just give Cartel a crown. That's all bro. The man don't compete with nobody, brother. He man Bounty Killer do a little thing, brother, just father and then them good back after that. You see me? That not take down for no crown, fam. You see it? I don't know what you talk about take down, brother, cause it's like I forgot what going with Cartel thing, bro. Remember say a bag of thing Cartel going with in a dancehall, brother. And it's not a good thing. You see it? Enough people career Cartel mess up, bro. You see it? Remember say him Lego Rhino. Him send the man them for not nice things them. Seeing how much people career him try to destroy. So when you go say yo, take down them money and all of them little thing there, bro. When Ninja Man walk up on the stage for Clash Cartel, bro. All Cartel talk about gun kill Ninja and all of them look something there. And then Fee bridging them rush the man. That are not lyrical take down, brother. Some don't know what you talk about. A badness that, brother. Hey, Z, cause remember, remember say the crown thing, remember say Joe and Uno are linking, So if Joe go in the crown, bro, only there's a conflict of interest that the same people them will link on the go into the crown, fam. Some don't know who you mean by take down. Take down who? Who Cartel war for crown? I don't know what you mean. Who him war for crown? That's why even you forward out and I say, you don't see nobody post up Cartel with the crown thing. Because, bro, Cartel just come from prison. Cartel drop couple songs and every little thing, bro. Remember say, Cartel usually mash up the DJ them, Remember say DJ did I get beaten in a dog. It's like when I try pretty up things about Cartel, take down, forget crown and all of them look something here, brother. Come on, bro. Come on, brother. The man just released from prison and no give him crown. Who him take down? Eh? take down what? Him and Bounty are going that a take down, brother. That a not take down, bro. Remember say a Bounty carry him to the forefront, brother. Beenie Man will help him to after Bounty them push him out there in the street. And him and him back and forth. The Beenie Man him go link with, brother. So yeah, say about take down. Remember say him did up on stage and I tell say yo from Beenie Man come out of mother belly, him a king. So you mean by it, and then Beenie a run with the king thing till him come out back. And then when I try if bring down Beenie and I say yo, bad mind this and the back and forth and red till when link up a Sunface and give him the crown. Some don't know what you mean by fight. If Massacre go do him thing, but Massacre gonna reach pan them level fam. Massacre try reach the things when no ready for him to do the work for fam. Him not do no work for that, brother. You see it? And that's it. But Cartel no bring down nobody for no crown, bro. You see it? You know what you talk about. Him no bring down nobody. I must say a badness Cartel use through in the dancehall, brother. Badness. That's why when most of the majority of the young artists, them free, them just have to say, yo, Gaza. All of them pick Cartel, bro. Because them want the forward. If them pick one next side, them nobody not really meds them, fam. Is it? Look how much your artists did there in Gaza. What them they now? Eh? The push out Rhino, Da Vinci cut. Not nice gone over there, so. Him and Popcorn usually have things. Brother, come on, bro. This work for crown thing, brother. Cartel not do nothing for no crown, brother. Only just give him the crown. And that another fam. Yeah, him have couple hit song and them look a thing there. But when you go say bring down them man and Ninja Man and Bounty and Beenie, bro, that no. You're wrong with that. Yeah, if the people them say, yo, I him forget the crown by him lyrics and all them, so but no, Cartel not bring down, not defeat nobody. Who Cartel defeat? Not even Movada, man, Movada the clash. Him still never win Movada, bro. So I don't know who ya said the defeat for which crown. Him and Ninja Man never go at it car beating up Guan him bridging them forward pan stage. Him and Bounty never war for no crown thing. See? Him and Ninja Man neither. And him and Beenie son of Beenie, bro. A Beenie put Cartel career to a next level, you know. Give him all the first number one in a breast specialist and all of them look something there, you know, brother. Them time the Beenie Man are running place, you know, locally and internationally. Some don't know when since this take down, what you mean? Bro, remember say as Cartel forward out, you know, run Beenie one side and just yo, Cartel, hold this. What you mean by take down, bro? Cartel not take down nobody for no crown, brother. Wanna just give him it. You see it? Wanna just give him that, brother. Sunface Joe them, yeah. Wanna just give him that. You see it? And I just throw Beenie Man say, yo, I'm my one king. You see me? But yeah, he my king for Gaza, yes, nothing wrong with that. But if you ask some other people, he man not king for some people. You see, that's why you fall out and a cuss and you say, yo, oh nobody not post up the king on Instagram because people know that, bro. Bro, everybody I go see Cartel as king fam. And we don't know say Joe them a him a link. Joe keep him for show and him forward out and scatter them way and road manager. And them a give him crown. Come on, bro. Brother, remember say Beenie Man crown all around the world, you know. Different people. So I see them see it. But a Joe where him friend and them man them crown seem like a them crown Spice, them crown Cartel fam. You see it, so brother, no bring down no Cartel never defeat nobody for no crown fam. I tell you that. Nobody. Remember say majority of the time a badness Cartel use for swim through bro. Enough little artists get over this no and thing. You see, remember say enough little blackage and black ball and how call it? Gatekeeping and all these things. Remember one time I'll Gage found out and say, yo, the producer say, yo, Cartel I say, yo, him no want Gage pan the rhythm if him a go vice pan the rhythm. So we don't know what you talk about, bro. Cause we say everything what go on. You see it? Cause remember say when Cartel go prison, you know, Popcorn them and the whole of them start not nice, the whole of them start say money. Da Vinci. The only somebody a Rhino and a true Rhino just hold him one and just cut down a foreign and just hold it. But him still get black ball same way. Them never want to give me a show because them are saying this is Gaza boss. You understand? Them now play him song them because him this is Gaza boss them say so. I just one of them thing there. But this crown thing, when you just give Cartel that, brother, you see me, I just that another brother. When you just give Cartel that, you see me, some don't know what you talk about go through Ninja Man and all them thing there, brother. You say some of my time, you know, some of my time when I make some talk, bro, like, when I not think on the talk, fam. You see me, cause, brother, yeah, Cartel put out some music and some hit song and thing, yeah, he's a good artist. But when you go say about take down Ninja Man and Bounty and Beenie, I don't know where you get that from, brother. Cause I never know say at this man and them something they make you get crowned. Cause where the man them have no lyrical clash. Man them not a lyrical clash, brother. Look at words through him and Bounty just fall out and them say what them for say. Him and Beenie not have nothing. Him and Ninja Man not nothing, brother. Man bridging them kick down Ninja Man, mash up Ninja Man nose, and then them hold a press conference say, yo, them good you know and good back again. That's all. Some don't know who Cartel take down for earn crown. You never know say, yo, Jano. Yo, so right there I have to laugh, you know. So then how, alright, first of all, Ninja Man, we never know Ninja Man has no king. We never know Bounty has no king. The only man is king. Was king Beanie Man. And Beenie Man and Cartel never go at it no lyrical thing from. As since them forward out, you know, kinda push out Beenie and I say, yo, want here, old king that, new king now. That's all you know, the brother. Some don't know when this argument forward about defeat and if you get no crown and all of them look at thing there, brother. Easy crown that, brother. No one and Joe apart dog and scatter them. So if you man them go no crown, come on, fam. Come on. You see, cause right now, if Cartel the crown the way or Beenie crown, it would be a different thing. That's all I have to say, bro. Cause we see what Beenie do, brother. You see it. We see what Beenie do. Beenie been dominating worldwide and locally. A rap dancehall, bro. Even Cartel himself said. Cartel just a tour the world, you know, bro. Since him fought from prison, you know. Him just a tour the world, fam. So, if we not give him a king and say, yo, what that, come on, brother, man just drop some song from prison and thing, bro. The man not represent as a king yet. Where do him do it? Bro, we even give him the king thing, the king crown thing, before him even finish whatever. Him not even tour the world for say, yo, good yet. I just look at 1 year, brother. 1 year. But fine. Nothing wrong if Cartel get the crown thing. Nothing wrong with that. Cause who else did it? Him in a game for 30 odd years. Yeah, him a drop the song them. Couple of the artists them. Him carrying some artists in a game. Couple of them bout to him. Nothing wrong with that. But when you go say him take down Ninja Man and Bounty and Beenie if you get crown. Nah, bro, that not make no sense, brother. You see me? That not make no sense. You see me? No sense. Yeah. So you have people who say, yo, Cartel are the king. You have people who say Cartel are the king. See? But Cartel do him thing. You see me? Because if a king thing, definitely have to left from Bounty, from Beenie Man. So if anybody else will get it, a Cartel. Nobody else not there. Cartel not business how long. You see me? So he would have get it. But right now, I don't know who else, because I don't think nobody really made king thing right now. Maybe they can give him a second next. Because him look like him when want it. You see me? But people don't know media facts, you know. No things set, you know. Big up on yourself. That is it.